Alright guys, we got the piece in, we got it installed, we got stuff going on. Look at this, this is magic. Have some visitors here. We're gonna go say hi, see what they're up to. They brought me a surprise. We're doing a little trading. I'll show you what I'm trading for. Alright guys, you guys have seen it, the old CRX. I actually haven't done much with this car. I picked up a while back. You've seen it in the background of movies. So the guy here, his name's Isaac. He follows the channel. He hit me up on Facebook and he said, "Hey, what are you doing with that CRX? I got a son's project I'm working on. I'd love to get it from you." So with that story, that was awesome. I want this to go on. I'm not going to be able to do what I want to do with it. So instead of letting it sit and rot, I'm passing it on to Isaac and his kids and their CRX project. So the old blue it's going away. Alright guys, it's time to say goodbye to the CRX. So this is Isaac I was telling you about.
How you doing?
So this guy hit me up on Facebook, on the Wide Open Throttle Facebook page, and he saw it in the background of a video, right?
Yeah, it was right next to 3K. I was like, I need one.
Yeah, so this guy, he hit me up on Facebook, and we ended up working out a deal and doing a little trading, and he's going to get the CRX to move on to his son's project.
Yeah, he needs panels and gas tanks and
yeah,
get that going for him.
So this should be a great car for his project. Isaac's been a super cool dude. That's going to a good home, so I'm happy that it didn't get scrapped. I saved it. Now we're passing on to the next generation.
Yeah, these body panels are hard to get nowadays. So
yeah, so it's awesome that we got it. And in return of trading, this guy hooked me up. I'll just show you a little bit right there. I won't tell you much about it. There it is, a cord. Let's just say it is manual. So that's the best part about it.
It is a stock manual, yeah.
Yep. So we're excited. We're gonna get this thing loaded up, and then we'll get back to work on the turbo kit. All right, guys, back in the garage. We are recovering from allergies. It's a new day. We have parts. We're getting stuff done. So far, we got coolant stuff hooked up. We got fan fixed. We got the awesome extension for the turbo you saw. We're working on piping. I just dropped the oil pan, taking out the filter, working on the return line. Yeah, what else? He's gonna set up the turbo. He's gonna get ready to put all the turbo fittings on it, and hopefully I can take the clamp and find a pipe to weld to it to kind of have an exhaust instead of just straight turbo exit, and then we will get the pan welded for the return as well. So we're messing around, we're figuring stuff out. We're gonna mess with this whole system of how everything's gonna run, because I'm still figuring it out on how we want all the intercooler to work, because it's crazy. But we're gonna figure it out. Getting all the turbo bits. So that one's returned. Oh, they didn't even give us hardware on this one. Nice. Okay, we're working on that. We got this. We need to get hardware at the store, and I need to sand this down just to clean off some of the splatter. And I think I have a piece of aluminum. We cut out homemade gaskets, or we got that gasket sheet that dude brought. And maybe we can make a gasket for that. So got that ready, working on that. It's gonna be running soon. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
It's gonna be hilarious, dude.
Awesome.